Your motherfucking.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that I got going on here. This is a really nice summer extension look. It is very different and a little bit like of playing around with colors and just being creative. I hope you guys did enjoy this look. I did film this look because I wanted to try something a little bit different from my comfort zone, playing with colors and stuff. Today I changed it up. I'm not doing a black liner, I'm doing a green liner with this soft look. I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. Remember, if this is your first time to visit my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It is somewhere on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, as you guys can see, my right eye is already done, so we're going to be working on my left, and I'm just using my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to prime my lids. The palette of choice today is the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be using the 3 shades on top. So we start off with the yellow, the orange, and then like the brown. First, the yellow, just using the yellow as my transition color, and I'm blending that literally all over my crease and my crease only. I do apologize, the camera I'm using, I'm trying a new setup, so I'm working with like how everything is and whatnot. Next I'm going in with the orange color, and I'm just blending the orange color all over my lid and my crease as well. I'm just going to keep going back and forth with the orange and the yellow until we get it as bright as we want to. Like I said, this look is something supposed to be easy and something different. I'm using 3 colors of eyeshadow and then a shimmer, and now I'm going in with that brown. And as you guys can see, the brown for some reason like is showing up very orangey, but we work towards it later on as the video goes on. I do use a little bit of a black just to get it to the brown that I want. So I'm applying the brown on the lid, inner and outer corner, and then I'm gonna go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer again in Fawn, and I'm just gonna pat it on the middle. I'm not really doing a cut crease, but it's just like the center of my lid is what I want to be cut. So I'm just applying that concealer literally all over to get it on. One tip I always give people, if you're trying to learn how to do a cut crease, literally apply concealer on your lid, blink up wherever the concealer stopped, that's where your crease literally needs to stop. And then I'm just blending the inner and outer corner just to get the transition, and I'm going in with my Juvia's Place, I forgot the name of this palette, but I'll leave it in the description below. And I'm using this color, and I'm applying that on top of the concealer. I don't set my concealer anymore because I feel like when it's not set, the color picks up a lot more vibrant. And then I'm going in now with the brown again just to fix that transition. And then for my liner, I'm using the NYX Vivid liner, the green one. I don't want to give you guys the wrong name, but literally everything I use will be in the description box below. And I'm just doing a classical wing liner. You guys already know what it is, how it is with my wing. And then I'm using my Revlon Mega Multiplier mascara, applying that bad boy on you. This mascara is actually fire, and I don't even remember how I got it, but I think I got it from like a PO box or something. And then for my lashes today, I'm using Lady Lashes in the style Truffle, and I actually really like this lash. You guys should check them out. I do have a discount code with them, which I will put on the screen and also in the description box below. They do have a lash set that I love right now, which has 3 different styles, including the style that I have on, and it's actually thebomb.com, like literally. So now we're gonna start on our complexion. For my primer, I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. This is a hydrating primer, and honestly, I usually don't use a hydrating primer for some reason. I like mattifying primer, but this look came out better than I expected, even with the primer that I use, even using like a lightweight foundation. So it was good regardless. And I'm just applying that all over my face. For my foundation, I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready foundation. I haven't used this foundation in forever, but like, yo, your girl got darker, so we gotta make do's. And that is the foundation I applied on all over my face, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender just to pat that in so we get that, you know, symmetrical, bright, flat look. Everything just looks like skin and everything is popping. All right, great. So now for my concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be using Deep and Tan Sand, mixing those two together. and whatnot. And the concealer is actually really nice. One thing I noticed is if you want it to be a lot more full coverage, let the concealer dry down a little bit before like applying or before blending it out. It gives you a fuller coverage. I'm really kind of low-key disappointed in how like my highlight on my eyebrows is, but it's whatever. So to contour, I'm using the Makeup Forever sculpting trio Q, I think that's what it's called. Literally, I'm not the greatest person when it comes to remembering what I use, but I'm showing you guys, so I'll put everything literally in the description box below. So if you're having worries like what the hell is this girl using, it will be in the description box below, I promise you. And I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. Well, technically not the beauty blender, but you guys know what I'm using, okay? And then to set everything, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup. Wow, this is a mess. I'm a mess. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my entire face and whatnot. And we just gonna apply that everywhere we put the concealer on. And we just gonna apply that, all right? So we're gonna watch me apply that. Oh, all right. So as you guys know, I usually do bake, but I only do, lately I've been only baking if I'm doing my makeup to last me a longevity. For this video, I literally just apply the setting powder and then I just wiped it off, and I'm using a regular powder brush. All my brushes are super affordable. I literally find them all on eBay and they're super nice, like super duper nice. I'm going to be going in with my Mercier Candle Glow powder, and we're going to be setting our entire face and whatnot, all right? So be setting the face, getting everything to look like one, and I do apologize once again for the lighting. It really messing me up. And then for my blush, I'm using my Sephora collection blush in Oh My Gosh. You guys already know this is one of my favorite blushes ever, like ever. And then for my highlight, I'm using my highlighting palette from Mixnblend Beauty, and I'm going to be mixing the shade in the middle and the white shade at the top left corner, and I'm just applying that all over my face where I need to highlight. And yeah, I'm just highlighting my face, like literally just highlighting my face. Once again, I am going to apologize for the lighting. I promise you guys I'm working on getting my lighting and everything to be at par, okay? And then to set my entire face, I'm using my Glam Glow setting spray. Yo, this setting spray is actually fire. It smells like bubble gum and it smells so freaking good. Listen, it smells really good. For my lip, I'm using the L.A Girl Pro lip liner in cherry. It's kind of like a red, but not really a red. And then I'm gonna go in after the lip liner with my Lady Burgundy red lipstick in Rita. And then to finish off, I'm gonna be using Ruby Kisses lipstick. It's orange. I think it's like coral something. I'll leave the name of the lip color in the description box below. And it's giving me like this ombre orange red lip, which is what I was going for. And it came out the way I wanted it to. So I'm not complaining. All right, I'm not complaining. And then going in with the orange, of course, and applying the orange just in the middle. And it worked out how I wanted it to be honest with you. Like, it really did. And look at that. Look at that lip. Look at the lip. And then just to finish up the look, I'm going to go in with the orange and apply that in my lower lash line. And then put on some mascara as well in my lower lash line just to get the look together. Something I really do forget when I'm filming is my lower lash line. I literally never do anything until I'm done. Like, I always forget to film this part. And it's such a bad habit. But guys, this is how the look came out. I hope you guys did love it. Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. Remember, like I said, it's something different, something a little bit outside of my comfort zone, playing around with colors. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any looks you'd like for me to recreate or create on my channel, feel free to hit me up in my emails, my DMs, and make suggestions. Or if you guys have any video you'd like to see on my channel in general, make sure you comment below in the comment section. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so very much. I appreciate it for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and
make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. I truly and really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Lastly, if you're not following me on any of my social media, what in the world are you waiting for? It is on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, like I like to say at the end of all my videos, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back and showing love. And I will see you guys at our next upload. Bye!